Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps on how to add music to your Facebook profile. Let's dive into it. The first step is to open Facebook on your mobile. Once you are in, click on the menu at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the menu, navigate to the settings by clicking the gear at the top right corner. Now, scroll down until you find audience and visibility. Click on profile details, and then continue scrolling until you see the music section. Here it is. Click on Add Music, and then hit the plus button in the top right corner. You can now search for a song or simply browse. Use the play/pause button to preview the song. When you find the one you want, click on it to add it to your profile. You can add as many as you'd like. To make the music visible on your profile, you need to pin it. Click on the three dots to the right of the song. Then tap on the pin button. You'll see a confirmation that the song has been pinned. Now, if you want to see your profile with the added music, tap on the menu button in the bottom or top right, click on your profile, and you might need to refresh your page. Now, you can see music is added on your profile. If you found this guide useful, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.